beautiful, amazing, powerful friends. How are you doing today? It is Claire here today, and I have a really great, simple product that is going to be a great hack for you guys if you have baggy pants, baggy clothes, and you want to tighten them easily and stylishly. So, in collaboration with the company Tuvren on Amazon, I am going to be reviewing and demonstrating how to tighten your pants using these cute little button charms. And these are super cute, very affordable. They're about $10 on Amazon. You get a pair of 3. And basically what these do is you will sew them onto your pants and you will be able to tighten your pants if they're baggy or loose. And you just stick the 2 pieces of the button together and they clasp together and tighten your pants naturally. So I'm very excited to be doing this collaboration, and you guys will also get 20% off from using my discount code in the description box below. Here are the 3 different sets that I chose. You can choose whichever ones you want. There's a bunch of different options here, but for mine, I chose this set. I chose this set, and I chose this last set here, the cute little blue buttons. So when you go to the Amazon website, they do have a bunch of different options you guys can choose from as well, but this is just the one that I decided to do. These I chose specifically because they are very baggy. So you see how there's 2 little holes here and 2 little holes here. We're going to be sewing those in place. So I'm going to do on the side here. Okay, so you're going to grab your thread, tie a knot in the end of the thread or tie double knot. I usually like to tie 2 knots in the end of my thread. Here is the 1 button and here is the second one. So I think that's a good amount that we're going to want to push together. We're going to be bringing that together. So you get to decide how far you want them. But then you're going to go from behind here. So do you see right there? You're going to pull the needle from behind. And like so. You can do that a couple times if you like. And then back through. I suggest you do that at least twice for each loop. Then you're gonna go do that on this side as well. So there we go, right through and through the back as well. Do that a couple times. To make it sturdier. And then you can tie that off at the back here and cut the thread. Now you're going to do the same exact thing with the other one. Okay, so this is what they look like now. You can see the back here is where I sewed these 2 little areas. And same with here, and then I tied it off. So now we'll just try them on. All right, we're gonna just try these. So here's the baggy before. And now I'm just going to press them, stick that in there like that. And they are now tightened quite a bit. Now you can see the little button. It creates kind of a little fold there. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Take a look at the description box below. I will have the 20% discount. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great week. I will see you guys soon. Bye!